The 3CX, it's an icon, it always has been. It's the backbone of JCB, it's the backbone of Cowan Groundworks. A bit of kit we'd never be without. It's our Swiss Army knife. There's quite a number of benefits with the 3CX. The main one being that it can dart around a site like this, which is quite a big site, which means there's a lot of roads. So obviously with it being a wheeled machine, it means we can go from the site compound, which is actually a mile away, to the furthest plots on the site. And we don't have to hire in the likes of our own forklift. So if we're doing a block paved drive, there's a lot of to-in and fro-in with the forks to try and supply the blocks to the job. Just hop into the 3CX, deliver your bits and pieces to where you're working, and then crack on with another task.